If your iPhone's top ear speaker isn't working during calls, no sound, too low or completely silent, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, clean the ear speaker. Use a soft and dry brush or a clean toothbrush to gently remove any dust or debris from the speaker grill. Don't use water or sharp tools. After that, turn the volume up. While you're on a call, press the volume up button. This adjusts the speaker volume, not the main speaker. After that, turn off Bluetooth. Open your control center and make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Your iPhone might be connected to wireless headphones without you realizing it. After that, check if it's a hardware or software issue. Try using speaker mode or plug in wired headphones. If those work but the earpiece doesn't, the issue is likely hardware. After that, try restarting or updating your iPhone. And to update your iPhone, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and look for any updates. Updating iOS can sometimes fix audio glitches. After that, try resetting all settings. And for that, go back to the General menu and scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. After that, choose Reset All Settings from the options. Here, no data is lost but Wi-Fi and preferences resets. If it's still not working, it may be a hardware issue, especially after water or drop damage. Visit Apple support or an authorized service center for repair. And that's how you fix a silent or low iPhone earpiece. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.